Big thing to me is trust. First impressions, that's a big thing with me. So it just made all the sense in the world. And thankfully, it went without a hitch. We needed a fresh makeover of the outside of our building. Original paint, and it was finally just looking dull and dirty. And we were doing a remodel, kind of like a relaunch, a rebrand of the Flooring America Design Center this past 2025. It was going to be a big part of our image and our look on the outside by adding new signage and fresh paint to make it look nice and new. That's why we decided to do the outside of the building. Big thing to me is trust. First impressions, that's a big thing with me. In all my years of being in the floor covering industry, was 38 now, I've never actually had to worry about painting the outside of a building. We own this building. In the past, normally we were leasing places, and that was part of the landlord kind of gig. This was new to me, and I was a little nervous, like a lot of money. We were going to be investing into this project inside and out, and we wanted to make sure that we made a good decision. Being on South Peck Boulevard, knowing that the Ohio Painting Company is right up the street, one of our neighbors, we were going to be insane if we didn't at least call and say, hey, we're going to paint our building. You want to come give us a bid? Why not at least ask your neighbor? Now, if you were a jerk or were, like super high price or something like that, it would have been like, okay, yeah, you didn't get it because you're a jerk. That wasn't the case, thankfully. Very, very upfront, honest. So we got a bid. It was actually substantially under what we were thinking it was going to be. Super surprising, because that never happens in today's world. So it just made all the sense in the world. And thankfully, it went without a hitch. It was flawless. The guys did a great job. They were fast, surprisingly fast with the completion of the project.